Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and very easy, very charming, very good looking knitting stitch pattern. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. This is our front side view of the pattern and this is our back side view of the pattern. So friends, in this pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, and for ladies cardigan, for jumper, for hats. So in order to make this pattern you will need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, multiples of 6 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, and this is only 8 rows repeat pattern. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel and also share and support to my channel and activate the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. First row of the pattern, so we knit edge stitch and then knit 2, knit 2 and purl 4. That's the repeat. Slip 1, knit 2, purl 4. Again knit 2, purl 4. So we repeat it to the end of the row. So friends, I have completed row 1 and now we knit row 2, and row 2 we knit according to the pattern. So I am going to knit row 2 according to the pattern and I will be back later. So friends, I have completed row 2 and now we knit row 3. So row 3 and 4 we knit as row 1 and 2. So we will meet after knitting row 3 and 4. So friends, I have completed row 3 and 4 and now we are going to knit row 5, and row 5 we knit edge stitch and after then we draw a loop from 4th stitches below. We draw a loop between these 2 stitches and from 4th stitches below, see, 1 2 1 2 3 and 4. So we draw a loop from here, from this hole. So we are going to draw a loop and we transfer into left needle and we knit 2 together like this. Again draw a loop and we knit 2 together and purl 4. 3 4. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. Draw loop from between these 2 stitches and from 4th loop below here and we knit this loop and this knit stitch together Again draw a loop and knit two together and purl 4. 4. Again draw a loop, fourth stitches below and knit two together. Again draw a loop from same hole and knit two together. So that's the repeat. Now we repeat it to the end of the row. So friends, I have completed row 5 and now we are going to knit row 6 and row 6 here we slip edge stitch and then knit one and we twist this to the left way. This one loop is this one loop to the left way. So we twist, we slip and we knit this two stitch first and knit this twist stitch. Again we twist this to the right way. So we twist, we slip and we twist to the right way on the front side and knit 2. That's the repeat. Twist to left and knit 3, twist to right and knit 3. Again we twist left, knit 2 and knit this one. Again twist to right and knit 3. See, this is our pattern. Again twist to left to the front side, on the front side knit 3, twist to right and knit 3. So friends, I have completed row 6 and now we are going to knit row 7 and row 7. Row 7 we slip edge stitch and purl 3, purl 3 and knit 2, purl 3 and then knit 2, purl 4. That's the repeat. Again knit 2, purl 4. Again knit 2, purl 4. So this way I complete the all rows. So friends, I have completed row 7. Now we are going to knit row 8, and row 8 we knit according to the pattern. So friends, row 8 is complete. Now we are going to knit row 9 and 10. So row 9 and 10 we knit as row 7 and row 8. So we will meet after knitting rows 9 and 10. So friends, row 10 is complete. So friends, row 10 is complete. Now we are going to knit row 11 and row 12. So row 11 and row 12 we knit as row 5 and 6. So here slip edge stitch, knit edge stitch, purl 3, purl 3, and here we draw a loop between these two stitches and from fourth loop below. So we draw a loop from here like this, and we knit 2 together. Again draw a loop and knit 2 together and purl 4. We repeat again. We draw a loop from here and we knit 2 together. Again draw a loop and we knit 2 together. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it to the end of the row. So friends, I have completed row 11, and now we are going to knit row 12 and row 12 here. Now we are going to slip edge stitch, knit 1, and here we twist to the left way and knit 3. So we twist this rod stitch to the left and knit 3. Again twist these 3 stitches to the right and left, then knit 3. So we twist these 2 and we twist to the left and knit 3. Again twist to the right and left, twist to the right and knit 3. Twist to the left and knit 3. That's the repeat. We repeat it to the end of the row. See, again twist to right and knit 3. twist to left and knit 3. Twist to right, left and knit 3. Twist to left and knit 3. So we repeat it to the end of the row. And we knit 1 and knit edge stitch. So friends, I have completed row 12 and you can see this is very wonderful pattern. This is very amazing pattern. This pattern it looks so wonderful, so nice, so pretty. So I have done 2 repeats here, and you repeat this repeat pattern over and over again according to your desired length. So friends, I hope you will like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. Friends, please watch the full video and support to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, inshallah. Stay happy. Goodbye.